Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the PS4 Pro error code CE-34203-2. The error reads, "The data is corrupt." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access or edit captures in the gallery. Many shared that when trimming or overwriting a video, or even trying to view or delete a screenshot, the system shows error and marks the file as corrupted. According to our research, this error is most likely related to corrupted data, outdated firmware, or temporary system glitches. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your PlayStation console and then check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check if your PlayStation console firmware needs an update. If so, update it and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, then try rebuilding the database. This can help fix corrupted data and may resolve the error. So give this a try and check if this helps with the error. If the error still continues, then wait for some time and try again. If the error is caused by a temporary glitch, this may fix it. At last, if the error continues for too long, then we suggest reaching out to PlayStation support and reporting the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.